Fans, friends, and family. It's your boy Ed Murray. Back out here for a small, quick one. Let y'all know the update we got on it. Got a package came in. Oh yeah. Got the complete wire harness kit. Everything we need in here. Spark plug, CDI box. Get this bad boy wired back up. See if we can get this dead bike back to life, y'all. Let y'all know. We'll update. The package came in a couple days later. About to get the spaghetti factory taken care of, all this taken out. Get a new stator put back in here. And yeah, y'all stay tuned. Comment down below, subscribe. Murray Mini Motors, baby. Peace.